When it comes to the street of YouTube, you need to know that a lot of people are not just there to see your downfall, but a lot of people are there that their job is just to download your videos and upload on their channel and then report you to YouTube. Remember when I did my channel demonetization video, I explained to you guys how my channel got demonetized, where a lot of people download my videos personally and they used this particular video and then reported me on my own end. And this was because most of the things I've learned these days, I did not learn them at all. Number one thing you need to know is that if YouTube is giving you any copyright videos that, oh, this person is using your videos, please do well to go and take those videos down. It is clear, simple as ABCD. All you need to do, or all you can do for that person, as I always do, is give them like the grace of 7 days. But in this video today, I'm going to be showing you what you are going to do on your YouTube studio, so that even if they download your videos, upload your videos, then can't report you, YouTube will be able to know that this particular video is your video. And a lot of new content creators are not doing this because probably they are not also aware, because I stayed on YouTube for like 2 years and I did not do this because I was not also aware. So it was right now after I researched and I find out about this that I did it exactly on my YouTube channel. And you too, that's why I'm bringing this to you, so that you can do this, so that if anybody download your video or do anything with your videos, YouTube can be able to detect that, okay, this is this person's video. So right now, the only thing that you can do for me right now is to go to your Chrome version of your YouTube studio, because we cannot do it with the normal YouTube studio. Okay, we'll go to the Chrome version of our YouTube studio and then we are going to be doing this together. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes, and I'm back again with another man blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's just get right into my YouTube studio. I'll be using my laptop on the other end so that we can get started. So guys, right now I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can get your YouTube desktop version of your YouTube studio. You click on Chrome, and then when you come here, all you're going to type is youtube.com desktop. Okay, so let's type it together. youtube.com desktop. So you click on it. If you click on it, it's going to show you home. Long press it, just long press it, and it's going to show you that you should open in a new tab. You go ahead and click on open in a new tab. You click on this small box that you're seeing here, and then you open the one in the new tab. It is going to give you the exact desktop version of your YouTube channel. Okay, so this is it. And now the next thing you need to do is to click on this your profile picture here. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Let me zoom it out so that you guys can see. This is your profile picture. Click on it. If you click on it, it's going to tell you Creator Studio. Click on Creator Studio, and automatically this will take you to the desktop version. So this is it. It will take you to the desktop version of your YouTube studio, and of which is going to be like this. And once it's like this, you're going to go ahead and check this other end where you're seeing your dashboard and the rest of that. Click on this particular one, this customization button. Click on it. That is after the earning sign. Then you're going to minimize it, and you're going to see it like this, where you see your channel banner, your what they call it, your profile picture and every other stuff. So for your channel banner, go ahead and upload it first. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this particular banner for now. One of my beautiful subscribers did this for me, so for the sake of this video, let's use this for now. Okay, because this is not the banner that's supposed to be there. Now the next thing you're going to be doing, the most important one to protect your account, is go down. Once you go down like this, go ahead, you're going to see this place they say video watermark. They say the video watermark will appear on your video right hand corner of the video player. An image that is 150 times 150 pixel is recommended. You can see it here. So now what you are going to do, this particular place you're seeing, you're going to go ahead and click on upload. Click on upload. The good part of this thing is, if you click on this upload, it's going to take you to your it's going to take you to your album. Okay, so for your album, you're going to go ahead and choose the particular one that you want to use. So let's go ahead and get the particular one that I want to use. Okay, sure that we want to use. Okay, so let's use this one. For example, you can see it here. They said we should do what? You see, customize video watermark. Okay, I go ahead and click on done. Now if I click on done, it is going to appear like this. It doesn't end like only like that. So it's going to appear like this. End of the video custom start time or entire video. Go ahead and put it on entire video. Why I want you to put it on entire video is, if you put it on entire video from the beginning of your video to the end, it's going to have that watermark. Because if you put it on just the end of the video, some persons might come and notice that you have a watermark and might decide to cut that part out, or might decide to blur that part out of your video. You understand? So, but if you put it from beginning to the end, it is going to be there, and YouTube is going to know that yes, now you get this video, so there is nothing anybody will say. So right now you can see that the channel already have a customized a customized picture already. And then what you need to do now is to go ahead and click on publish. Go ahead and click on publish. So the second thing that I said I'll protect your account is to go to this place where you're seeing this CC. Click on the CC. If you click on it, this is where you're going to be seeing all your copyright takedown. You understand? Right now you can see they said nothing to show yet. You haven't submitted any copyright takedown request because nobody has used my video. If I've seen someone that have used my video, I would have done that. So if you see someone that have used your video and YouTube sends you a message, or YouTube is giving you like, oh, someone is using it, please take it down, like I said from the beginning of this video. Now let's go back to this video. So yes, these are the 3 things that you need to do for your channel to be safe, so that at the end of the day you don't end up losing your channel to anybody. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're still suffering with your YouTube channel and you want us to coach you with these flyers that is displaying on the screen, we can coach you for 1 day, 1 week, 2 weeks and even a month. Yes, where we personally go into your channel to check what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day your YouTube channel is going to be fruitful by the special grace of God. Check the mail that is also displaying in these particular flyers, faithonja3195@gmail.com, and with chicken money your channel will get your channel started. And if you have not even built a channel, you've not opened, you've not done anything, and you say, Bible Sonia, are you sure people can really help me? Yes, we can also help you. We build channel from scratch as well, and yours will definitely not be different. Anyways, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment and share. And yeah, with no further ado, I'm gonna be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.